Welcome to this course Basic Manufacturing Process Unit 4 and Lecture 75. In the video I present in the non-metallic material agenda for today present in this video the wood. Wood is the non-metals and timers and the advantage of the timers and wood. The types of the wood. Difference between the soft wood and hard wood. The plywood and advantage of the plywood and use of wood and cement, the cement concrete. All the point in all the factor present in this video in detail. Wood is the available in the nature in the form of tree. जो wood है in the present in the form of tree in the forest. Okay. Useful part of the tree is cut and use of the carpentry of work. This is the wood is the main part of the cut of the tree to and factory used for the carpentry of work. Trunk is the most useful part of the tree. The trunk is the most useful part of the tree. The timber. The wood is the obtained from the usually grown forest tree cut and it cut is the preferred from the engineering purpose. This wood is known as timber. The the following the technical terms of the relating to the timer are follows in detail of the all terms of the timer. The standing of the stationary timing. Standing on the stationary time. It is the timer available from the living tree. This is the timer is the consisting of the in the form of the from the living tree. Rough timer. It is the timers obtained after the filling at the tree. The healing of the tree. The converted timer. It is the timer which has been sewn into the various market size such as a beam battens the battens of the blanket the desist of the timers addresses of the timer. It is the timer which has been the placed and work to the required for condition. The timer is the required for the carpentry and the some of the part is made from the some specific space in application. The structural timer. It is the timer used in the form and load of the bearing structure and the of the home structures are made from the sum of the houses in use of the primer structure of the wood is made from by the of the carpentry application. Advantage of the primary wood. It is easily available and no quickly transport by the simple means. the, this is the timers and wood are available from the not easily as this present time. Okay, easy to work on it. The lighter in weight and stronger than the most of the material used in the construction work. The timer and wood are the most important material used in the construction of building, houses, and some of the other furnitures in the, the plant ityadi. The low cost. But is the present time see that for the high cost of the wood and the trimmer is okay. but no cost is low. The consider for in this point for the low cost of the wood and timer for this. It is quite suitable and soundproof of the construction. Huh. This is the very correct of this point. The quite unsuitable from the sound and proof of the construction in building for application of the timer and wood. It is non-conductor of heat. Okay, this is the this is the point is the and electrical properties of the wood and timer. The wood is the non-conductor material and non-metals. Okay, this is the free of this is the no conductors of heat and electricity. Good response to the polishing and painting, and the wood is application in the windows, gates, furnitures, tables, kursi, chair ityadi in use in this of the wood. And painting is very perfecting of the and polishing of the wood is very perfectly good responses to the polishing and painting of the wood. And very suitable for the doors and windows and furnitures and work is the and the good strength of the machines and the wood of the application of the most important of the wood is the so the railways and other vehicles equipments in application, the truck bodies and the design for the other structure of the homes and theaters of the okay. And the most important application in the colleges and hospitals and bankers in application of the furniture in use in the wood. Wood is the most important part in the life of human being. Okay, common types of wood. All the tree for the broadly for divided into two classes according to the mode of growth, the endogenous and exogenous. The conveyor of the evergreen trees of softwood. The all the holes of areas in forest in application a forest in the trees. Green trees is the softwood and discuss for the board or leaf and trees the hardwood of the okay. Endogenous trees, and the endogenous trees are those which grow inward in in a longitudinal longitudinal fibers fibers of mass such that the palm, bamboo and can from the coconut and bananas. Even through the stem of the trees of this cases for the light weight of the wood. And suppose that it is the to flexible and the sender to finished material suitable for the engineering work and engineering works and carpentry work, which of the expression of the bamboo. Exogenous trees are these is the grow for upward from the center and adding to countries almost concentric and the distip for the layer of fresh wood, which as the each of the form of annual range of the human being and animals in the need requirement of the trunks of the wood trees is available. The common types of wood is the heterogeneous trees. It is the timer obtained from the classes of the trees. Class of the trees is the extensively used in the engineering work. These trees are further divided into the part the coniferations of the every green of and the deciduous of the broaded leaf left and the trees. The coniferous of the evergreen trees are those which yield of the soft wood such that the de- deodar, ca- kale, and the cheer pains and the violent too. Fear of the small and the ton of ityadi for the there is the types of the wood in the conifer of the every genius every genius for the trees the deciduous of the broader leaf of tree are those which yield hard wood such as the shal and the teak and the sesame sesame oaks which as for the Imboni, mango, neem and balloon. It is the hardwood which are used for mostly in the engineering application. Suppose that the high high working in the household and some of very large structure in the application of the home of the and the shuttering is the of the loading for unloading of the machines in application of the design for the truck bodies and some of the vehicles and trains of in the application of wood in trains and more large area of application of the wood in the form of the the food processing plant and the food processing plant in application of the hotels making the house on the uh, more area used in the wood of the soft layout is the soft wood or the light in weight and colors. The wood is the one need and requirement of the colors they make from the synthetic of the color making in the wood. The soft wood is obtained from the tree having the needle and shaped for leaves of the conifers in the obtain. The various softwood are kale, penny, and deodar, cheer, and the walnut of the small the application in the most important of this is the wood is the very soft wood in this plant and used for the trees in the widely used for the building construction of the hardwood. These wood are the heavy, strong, and dark in color. This is the wood is a soft wood is the very hard and dark color of the wood. The fibers of the fine the grand compacted the properly in the bounded compactly bounded and softened found very very straight the various hard wood are the sesame tree and bamboo neem and the mango okay and which are the widely used for the door furniture and journey of the wood in application um, in the forest on the home and domestic of the product making and some of application is wood in the wood. The difference between the softwood and hardwood. The softwood is the very hard softwood is the very hard color of the wood, very hard color and hard wood. It is a light and color of the weight and the light in color light in color and weight of the product of the wood. It has the straight fiber. This is straight fiber and fine structure fine structure is used. Second is the hardwood. It is the dark in color and heavy in weight. These its the fiber are quite close and compact. It has the it has good tensile resistance of the wood. Softwood is the but is weak across the fiber. Okay, hardwood it has both good tensiles as well as stress resistance. Okay, it is easy to the work. If soft wood, it is easy to the work and it is easy to work. Fourth point, it is hard and difficult to the wood. Annual rings are distinct. The annual ring are non-distinct of the product. The softwood is the specialist easily, and the hardwood it does not the split easily, not easily. It is the weaker and less the durable of the material. It is strong and durable. It can be withstand high temperature. It can be withstand high temperature. It is not easily the consumable of the product. The softwood is used for the deodar, cheer for the kale and the walandu. The hardwood is the chief for sesame, cell, tickered, oka, and mahagonias of the Bible. Thank you so much. In this video, I present in the non-conductor, non-metal and non-conductor materials on this video present.